Hello everyone, welcome back to another AliExpress and nail art haul video. I am Vanessa and you can call me Nessa. So for this video, I just have one package. This package is from the Beautiful Secret store. I ordered it September 28th, it arrived November 8th, and I actually paid a lot of money for this package, so I'm a little bit surprised. I have 10 items here and I paid $47.10. Normally I try never to pay for shipping or very little, but on this package I actually paid $17.94 in shipping. So in reality the product only cost me $29.17. So I did spend quite a bit in shipping. And we have quite a lot of polishes. So let's get straight into testing these polishes. For each polish, I will hold the bottle and label up to the camera so you can see it, as well as show you the image that I originally purchased the product from. There are a couple bottles that are no longer available, so I am not showing you the original image for those ones. For each swatch, I will paint 2 layers on each swatch stick, and I will set each layer in the UV light. Once I lay the swatch stick down in front of you, it actually already has a top coat that I applied and set off camera. Now sit back and enjoy the swatching, and I'll meet you back at the end for my final thoughts. Okay, so these are all of the polishes that we opened and swatched in this video, and we do have two different sizes of bottles. So we have the larger and the smaller. So these ones are 10 milliliter size bottles and these ones are 6 milliliter size bottles. And before, when I started shopping on AliExpress, I could only find the 6 milliliter size bottles. So I'm not sure if the larger ones are new or not, but I have to say I do appreciate them because they do have the color indicator on them. So one thing I really don't like with these polishes is there's no indicator on them. And we do have some new packaging. So all of them used to come in these boxes. But now they seem to be just wrapped in plastic, and the label is actually stuck to the plastic that it's wrapped in. So these aren't that easy to get off, and if you take the plastic off, you have absolutely no label on your polish. So something to be aware of with these smaller bottles, and I don't know if this is something they're doing with all of them. But I mean, even in some of the colors, like this orange one, they had it wrapped in plastic. So just something to be aware of. But otherwise, I think all the polishes are really pretty. I really love this green one. I was not expecting it to have stars in it. I guess I just didn't notice that when I was buying it. And then these magnetic ones are really pretty as well. And I'm not sure if the camera captures it or not, but this one is actually a purple shade, this one is blue, and then this one shines like a peach pink color. So if you have any questions about anything, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!